German goulash soup, the Ancestral table series. Before protein powders and meal plans, strong bodies were built from one simple pot. This is German goulash soup. Slow-simmered beef, marrow bones, onions, garlic, paprika, cabbage, and root vegetables. In Germany, this wasn't fancy food. It was strength food. When beef and bones simmer low and slow, they release collagen and minerals. Add fiber-rich vegetables, and you get a stew that satisfies, steadies, and truly nourishes. This is old-fashioned cooking, made on the stove or in the crock pot. No shortcuts, no hype, just real food. The full video is also on YouTube in English and Spanish. The full recipe is on my Facebook page, Intili's Ancestral Table. The complete video is also on YouTube in English and Spanish. For more information and recipes, visit my Substack. Link in bio. One pot, one culture, one strong body at a time.